Alright guys, we just wrapped up this 2024 GMC Denali HD. It's got the 4-inch Cognito Performance Series kit on it. 37 1250/20 Toyo RT trails. There's a very minor trimming with this setup. Just the bottom edge of the bumper, the plastic here, plastic of the valence, and then right in here your inner liner. No trimming to the back of the fender flare here. You're good to go. The Performance Series kit is going to give you the optional upper control arms, the 2.0 Resi shocks, and you're also going to get the Pitman and idle arm braces. You see, got your full 4-inch suspension lift. It's going to get your front and rear cross members, your one-piece skid plate, your differential drop, new knuckles, of course your rear blocks, shocks, and all your additional hardware. Now on this one, we do have it turned up about an additional ½ inch because we used a bag kit in the rear, an Airlift 7,500 pound overload bag kit and onboard compressor. So it's probably sitting closer to about 4.5 inches. So we just raised the front to match that. You can see the bag kit here, and again, this is their 7,500 pound XL kit. They also make a 5,000 pound. Get your Fox 2.0 Resi in the rear. Now this kit uses a 2-inch rear block, which you can see there. So we match that bag kit with a 2-inch, excuse me, we match that block with a 2-inch bag extension so that everything works properly. Does have the onboard compressor mounted under the frame, and then a wireless remote that's in the cab to control it. Alright guys, that's going to be it on this one. Make sure you like the video, subscribe, stay tuned for more.